Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the Cessna FMS Cessna Sky Trainer 182. Going to have a little bit of fun with her. Maybe I can actually have some decent landings today. Very nice uneventful takeoff. I gotta tell you, this is one of my favorite birds. I am really enjoying flying this plane. She looks good, she flies good. Got flaps down, almost half throttle. Gently climbing with a little bit of gas.
Flaps up.
Looks good with that sun shining on her. Boy, what a good looking plane. What a good looking plane. Fly around nice and scale.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
I don't normally like to do rolls with her, but she is capable of it. I'm up awfully high now. I gotta bleed some speed off.
Landing flaps.
All right. Now that was me.
Flaps up.
That was my fault. I know exactly what I should have maintained the speed, let her set down nice and easy. But instead of trying to rush it.
Landing flaps.
Well,
Flaps up.
getting better.
Takeoff flaps.
I think I got my CG right. We'll try land with no flaps this time. Perfect. And that was perfect that time. Bugs are starting to come out now. Oh yeah. Go around one more time. I have a bigger battery in her than what she calls for. She calls for like a 2200 up to like a 20 to maybe a 3000. I think, don't quote me on that. But I got a 2700 Hobby Star 3-cylinder. And that's what I've been running in her lately. Oh yeah. Oh, no flaps, into just a little bit of wind. Perfect. Oh, textbook. All right, folks, that is the FMS Sky Trainer 182 Cessna. Thank you so much for watching. And you want to hear,
Motor on.
you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.